Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. If you're new, today in the lab I'm going to be doing a full face of the drugstore makeup that I mentioned in my drugstore haul. That was my first drugstore haul of the year 2020, so go ahead and check that out. It'll be in the cards. I don't know how many times I'm saying that throughout this video, but girl, go check out the cards. So yes, if you want to see how I got this look and how these new drugstore products performed on my skin, give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button if you love new makeup product reviews and hauls and anything of that nature. So yes, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I've already recorded this video, and then next thing you know, something said look at your camera, and it wasn't even recording. I'm over here setting everything, like thinking like, okay, yes, we're going to get through this video. Absolutely not. So now I'm going to go back from the top. So I didn't get a chance to use the e.l.f. Daily Face Cleanser. I am going to use that once I wash this makeup look off and tell you guys in the comments below how it performs and things like that. So first I'm going to moisturize my face with the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. It looks like this. I'm so excited. This was like a set that I showed you guys in that haul. If you haven't seen that haul, my drugstore haul, first haul of 2020, then definitely check out the box here. It's going to pull up on the cards. So this is a daily hydration moisturizer with purified water, jojoba, and vitamin E. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this. I will say, since this is my second time trying this and recording the video this moisturizer does soak into the skin really fast, and it actually gives a slight like tackiness. It gives a slight tackiness to the skin as well. So just a heads up if you're looking for that. If you're not into like tacky feel, then this may not be the hydration for you, but it feels really nice on the skin. Like I said, it penetrates the skin really fast, and I like the way it feels. Next, I'm going to go in with the eye cream. This is the illuminating eye cream, and this is really hydrating. I love this stuff already. Like, sometimes I'll put a eye cream under my eyes before doing my makeup and concealer and stuff, because it allows the concealer to just really lay on. I'm not going to use too much. Let me take some of this off. Just because I'm going in with a radiant concealer. But if you're using like a matte concealer, then yeah, I love using eye creams under here, under my eyes. But this feels really nice on the skin as well. Really hydrating. So I can't wait to add that to my skincare regimen some nights. Moving on to the primer. The primer is the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. It looks like this. This one is supposed to be a dupe of the Milk Makeup Primer. I will say, again, since I already got past this part when I thought I was recording, it is a bit thicker than the Milk Makeup one. But I'm excited to see how it's going to perform under the skin. So it is a bit thicker. It's not as liquidy. The Milk Makeup one is a little bit thinner, so it's easier to maneuver around the skin. With this one, you want to like take your time and press it into the skin. Alright, so I let that sit on for a little bit before moving on. So that was the primer. So yeah, so far so good. The moisturizer, primer, and under eye cream is plus for me. Now going into the foundation. This is the NYX Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation. I believe this is a medium to full coverage. I'm just going to put it on like this, because I'm going for kind of a beat, but I don't want it to look too natural. But I feel like this is going to be one of those foundations that you can wear like naturally, like if you want to go for that natural look. This is looking super radiant on the skin. I'm not mad at it. Let me see what it's going to do once I put the powders on. But so far so good. It's super lightweight on the skin. It is super radiant. I don't know if it's because I have this primer on, but yeah, so far so good. I love a radiance. I forgot to mention about my brows. So my brows is the Morphe micro brow pencil in the shade Java. My girlfriend here on YouTube as well as in person, she's a makeup artist. I'll link her Instagram down below as well as her YouTube channel. Go ahead and follow her and subscribe to her channel. But she mentioned in one of her IG like live stories when she was doing a makeup tutorial that the Morphe brow pencil is a dupe for the Benefit Precisely brow pencil. So for those of you that are new to my channel, first of all, thank you so much for subscribing. I love the Benefit Precisely brow pencil, but sis, $24 for that pencil every time it runs out is annoying, and this is only $5. So go get you some of these pencils. I used one throughout this whole week before I was coming on here to do this video, and I said let me go back and get a couple more. So I actually went and got 2 more just so I can have them in my collection as well as in my makeup kit. But girl, those pencils are bomb. So yeah, this is in the shade Java if you want to use my skin tone as a reference. But now I'm gonna go into the NYX Born to Glow concealer, and this is in the shade beige. So far the color's looking nice. So what I typically do is let this dry a little bit. This is looking good, y'all. Okay, NYX. I'm definitely going to let you guys know in the description box how this holds up. I'm not going to wear this as a whole day right now because I am filming later on at night, but I'm liking how it's looking so far. So I'm going to go in with my Airspun loose powder. I didn't get my hands on a new loose powder. I do have some pressed powders here that I'm going to use to set the rest of my face. This one is the Milani pressed powder in the shade 09 Golden. If I can get it open, and it looks like this. And I also have these new Nebella Cosmetics close-up smoothing pressed powders. I have it in the shade medium and in the shade light. My girl Andrea Renee sent these to me to try out, so I think I'm gonna use let's try the light one on one side to set under the eye, and then I'll go in with the Airspun. I don't have a separate brush or anything, so I'm gonna go with my sponge. Definitely mattified it down. So I'm going to use the Airspun on the other side. That pressed powder actually looks really matte on this. This is the pressed powder and this is the Airspun. This one looked really matte. So I'm going to brush all of that away and go into the Milani powder and just put that on the bottom parts. Just fluff it in the skin. Nothing too serious. For bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild bronzer. I did mention this in the haul. This is the Color Icon bronzer in the shade 743B. So I'm going to take the same brush. And I'm just going to use that as my bronzer part here. So I told you guys I went and got this new brush because my Real Techniques, so I have it here. This is what it looks like. My Real Techniques broke, but this one is so bomb, and I cannot even find this brush anymore, but it looks like this, and it just goes so perfectly right here. So as a matter of fact, I'm gonna use this because this is my bronzer brush, and it just gives me that sculpt that I like. This face is coming together. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, loving it. Alright, so next I'm going to put on blush. This is the e.l.f. blush, the Primer Infused blush in the shade Always Rosy. And it's like this really pretty like pink tone. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush here. I don't know what the number is, but I love these two brushes. Like, I don't know what. I'm just going to pat that on first and then buff it into the skin. Oh, this is a pretty pink, like a pretty like rosy. These are my type of colors. And a coral, like a really nice orange coral. This is perfect. I love it so far. Like it so far, so good. Now, I'm going to move into the eyes and come back to the lips. So I'm going to go in with this palette here. Since I recently purchased this, I just felt like I should just go ahead and use this rather than buying another eyeshadow palette. But this is the Makeup Revolution and Patricia Bright palette. I'm just going to do probably 1 or 2 shades on my eyes just because I wanted to focus on all of these products that I just got from that haul that you guys saw. If you haven't seen it, again, it is in the cards or in the description box below. Let's see. First shade is going to be Biggest Fan. And of course I'm going to put some darkness on the outer corner just so it won't look too washed out. So I'm going to go in with 100% cocoa. Alright, so I went ahead and put my lashes on, did my bottom lash line, and put a little highlight in the inner corner, and I used the color Darlings from the palette. So now moving on to the highlighter. I'm super excited about this. This is the e.l.f. and Nebella Noor collaboration highlighter. What's the shade on here? I don't know if I have the shade, but I'm super excited about this. First, let me spray my face. This is the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. My whole face is just dewy. This stuff smells so freaking good. Woo! It smells so good. Alright, going in with this. Ooh, this highlighter is serious. Okay, only a little bit goes a long way, honey. Ooh. Only a little bit goes a long way. Look at that. But look how, like, oh, it's gorgeous. But you only need a little bit. Only a little bit. This is definitely like one of those highlighters that I would use like for a night out. Not on the everyday because it's so pam pam in your face. But yeah, that's cute. On to the lippy. So this is the e.l.f. and Nebella Noor lip cocktail kit in Rare Nude. So I'm gonna start with the lip liner. It's like that everyday brown if you're my skin tone. Not sure what it would look like on a deeper skin tone, but this is the liquid lipstick in Rare Nude again. This is like a really peachy nude. This is the finished look. You guys, I would have to say I love all these products so far. Like, they look amazing. The only thing that is about this lipstick is that to get it to where I want it to be, I had to add a lot of layers. Then I start losing my lip liner, but other than that, I really like all of the complexion products. This foundation just may be my like go-to for work. I love the undertones of the complexion, which is really important to me. This bronzer though for $5 or $3 something. Okay, Wet n Wild. So yeah, I like all these products. This right here smells amazing. So I will definitely keep you guys posted on all of these products down in the description box below. I mean, the comment section below. Comment down below if you've tried any of these products that I mentioned in this video. Also, go ahead and check out the haul if you want to see what they look like before I done messed up everything and tried it on. But yeah, so far I'm so hyped about these products. So I would have to give all of these products definitely a 10 out of 10 so far. And this right here will probably have to be like a 8. It's starting to dry down now, so we'll see. But yes, that is everything I wanted to show you guys in this try on drugstore full face makeup. So if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button. And until next time, girl, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.